Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will show you where to find buyers and sellers that are kind of like hidden in the volume, and this helps me a lot to find very good entries, and if the price is coming to my level, then I'm interested to take in the trade. Let me show you exactly where they are. So what you can see on the chart now is the S&P 500, and this is for this week. It's from Monday until Thursday, but it's a London opening right now, so we have just 3 days of data. And let me show you now, you actually just need a volume indicator. You just go to the indicator here and just write in volume, for example. But I already have mine, and I will show you now what I'm looking for. So this is Monday. Let me show you. You can see that's Monday, February 3rd. And what we can see here, it's a big volume and big candle. We had some news here, and let me show you exactly. I will just put here the line on the candle, and this is the 1 hour chart. So we will go down to the 5 minute to find our buyers. And let's go just back. This is what you will do. And now we go really close to see everything. So we can see the news kind of came around 4 p.m. That's London time, or European, because this is in New York around 10. But what I would like to see is where the volume came in, or the buyer. And we can see the buyer stepped in here on those 2 candles. We can see here. This is where the volume we have. These are the candles that I'm interested in. So what do we have here? We have this. So what I will do, I will mark this zone here, the bottom from this very heavy candle, which is even better because it's kind of like from the previous high, the low. And now I will do another candle, which is kind of above this. So this is what I like to see, this price here to get touched. And if we go now on the right side, which we should, and we are going, this is the, look at that. You see where we got our touch. The price came back exactly to our buyer. And this is where the buyer is. He was exactly hidden. And if we put here like a box, this would be considered like a fair value gap, ICT, if you follow it. If not, doesn't really matter. It's an imbalance, and the price will come back. And this buyer is actually loading up. For example, his order is not fully filled. He's still having some on the books, which he needs to execute. And this is what we see here. The price never ever went back below. And this is from Monday. That was Monday, and the price, this is London, it's an Asia session. So the price came back, and in the London 9:30 again to retest, and then bye. Because what you can see here, even Tuesday, that's Asia kind of, there was heavy volume here. And if you go even deeper, let's go to the 2 minute right now. I just need to scroll back. All right, this is the 2 minute here. And we can see the buyer here in Asia. Check this out. What we can see here is an imbalance. And this imbalance, the volume really kicked here in, on this really bottom of the candle. And this here, look at this candle right now. You see this only green candle. This is this candle. And where the price came back in the London session. Look at that. Exactly where we have the hidden buyer. Look at that. I mean, if you don't like and subscribe to my channel, you will miss on a lot of valuable information. I'm showing you this from this week, what's happening, the price action. We had here an imbalance. All ICT traders would say fair value gap. I'm just looking for my hidden buyer, and this is where he is. So what we can see here is this. This is from Monday, And this is Tuesday Asia, and then London retesting the Monday buyer, and of course even the Asian here was already preparing, and we got a push up. I mean, it's just it's kind of funny that is so easy and logical if you know how to break it down. So you had here a big opportunity to take a trade here on Tuesday London session. And let me show you, for example, now Bitcoin, BTC USDT, that it works on everything. This is how we find our buyers and sellers. I will just remove this. All right, and let me show you for this week if we can find our buyer. And here he is, I believe. That was Monday Asia, 2 in the morning, and then we get a big buyer here. This is the candle. I will mark this candle out here with the blue line because it's supposed to be as a buyer. We go down to the 5 minute and let's look for our buyer. And this, it's a hidden secret that a lot of traders will never share with you. Why? Because you have to pay for this information, and I'm sharing with you this right now for free. So like, subscribe, and comment below. So we have our buyer here. You can see this candle. I will remove this, right? This is our buyer. This candle. This is our Bitcoin bull. And let's go even to the 2 minute now to find even better the entry. Let's go right where you are, Monday, Wednesday. All right, this is where he is. And let me see now. All right, this is where he is. We can see another, again, this is where he is. That's our buyer that we are looking for. So I would, for 100 for sure, so I will mark this buyer here, because this is what we can see, and we have here a little imbalance on this candle. Let me remove this so we can see better. You see that? This is our imbalance of where he was before the move up. And let's go on the right side, and you can see when we came up again, or we were testing the buyer, if he is still here. That was actually happening before London. He never ever came back again. For this week we are talking about. And this is on the 2 minute. This is the buyer. That was a safe entry to enter Bitcoin. And it's just giving you an example where the buyer or sellers are hitting and how you find them. This is what I do. This is what helps me. When the price is coming to this level, I start to pay attention, very close attention, to find or look for entries. And if we go, for example, here, we can see this big buyer here. Let me show you the candle again. I see immediately a very green candle, not much red. All right. And then this is telling me, all right, the buyers back the buyer. And then if we really get a break from here, look at that. I will give you a line break. It's not the best example, for example. So if I see a break, if I see volume, well, what else can I say? Take the trade and just be happy. That would be the entry on the 15 minute. And we never ever this week came below this price. Perfect. Amazing. Very nice to see how to get a perfect entry. And it's not always working like that, but it's just to help you to find the buyers and sellers where they are hitting. And then you can do alert. And when the price is coming to your price, to your area, you go to the chart, you pay close attention to enter the trade, and just follow the rules of buyers and sellers if they are present. All right, I hope this helps. I hope to see you next time. Click like, subscribe. Peace. You click, subscribe, like, and see you next time.